Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're exploring the fascinating world of 1 troy ounce, 999 fine silver trade units, a true treasure in the world of precious metals. Whether you're a collector or an investor, this video is packed with valuable insights you won't want to miss. So sit back, enjoy the content, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more amazing coin and bullion discoveries. The 1 troy ounce, 999 fine silver trade unit is one of the most recognized and sought-after silver bullion rounds among collectors and investors alike. While not minted by any official government mint, silver trade units are typically produced by private mints and are valued for their silver content, not as legal tender. These rounds are widely respected in the precious metals market due to their high purity, historical influence, and investment appeal. The phrase .9999 fine silver indicates that each round contains 99.9% pure silver, with only 0.1% being composed of trace elements. The use of the word troy refers to the troy ounce, a unit of measure traditionally used for precious metals, which is equal to approximately 31.1035 grams. This differs from the standard avoirdupois ounce used for most other goods, which weighs about 28.35 grams. The design of these rounds can vary significantly depending on the issuing private mint, but most will have the weight, purity, and phrase silver trade unit boldly engraved on one side. Common inscriptions include 1 troy ounce, 999 fine silver, and sometimes silver trade unit. The reverse side may feature patriotic images such as the American eagle, Lady Liberty, a buffalo, or historical symbols like the scales of justice or images from early American coinage. Because they are not legal tender, these rounds do not have a face value, but their market value is based entirely on the spot price of silver, plus a small premium for manufacturing and distribution. The history of silver trade units dates back to the 1970s, a period when the US dollar had officially been removed from the gold standard. Investors and collectors, concerned about inflation and the devaluation of paper currency, turned to tangible assets like silver. During this era, a surge of private mints began producing these silver rounds as a form of bullion investment. They were labeled silver trade units to emphasize their purpose as a medium of exchange, though not in the legal sense. These trade units became especially popular during times of economic uncertainty, reflecting a growing interest in precious metals as safe haven assets. One key aspect that makes silver trade units attractive is their liquidity and divisibility. Unlike large silver bars, 1-ounce rounds are easy to store, transport, and trade. Their standardized weight and purity allow them to be sold or exchanged anywhere precious metals are valued, often without the need for additional testing or verification. Whether someone is a first-time buyer or a seasoned investor, 1-ounce .9999 fine silver rounds offer a manageable and low-risk entry point into the world of bullion investing. Additionally, they can be bought individually or in bulk, often at a lower premium compared to government-issued silver coins like the American Silver Eagle. The value of a 1 Oz silver trade unit fluctuates based on the current spot price of silver, which is determined by global commodities markets. Investors typically pay a slight premium over the spot price when buying and receive slightly less than spot when selling, due to the costs associated with production, distribution, and dealer profit margins. As of recent years, when silver prices spike due to inflation concerns or geopolitical tensions, these rounds can become especially valuable. Conversely, during times of market stability, their prices may settle close to spot, making them a bargain for long-term investors. One of the advantages of 999 fine silver is its purity and recognizability. The high silver content ensures the UFG round's authenticity and simplifies valuation. For collectors, many private mints offer limited edition or custom designs that add aesthetic and collectible value. These include commemorative themes, holiday editions, or artwork based on history, mythology, and national symbols. While the numismatic premium on these special rounds can be higher, many buyers see them as dual purpose, both as investments and artistic collectibles. Storage and security are important considerations for owners of silver trade units. These rounds are typically stored in plastic coin flips, tubes, or protective capsules to prevent oxidation and physical damage. While silver does not rust, it can tarnish when exposed to air and moisture, so keeping it in a dry, stable environment is key to preserving its condition. For larger holdings, some investors use bank-safe deposit boxes or third-party bullion vault services. However, a growing number of silver enthusiasts prefer to keep their bullion close at hand, often citing the benefits of physical possession in a financial emergency. In conclusion, the 1 troy ounce, 0.99 fine silver trade unit is a versatile and respected form of silver bullion, cherished both for its investment potential and its historical significance. Whether acquired for wealth preservation, portfolio diversification, barter preparedness, or aesthetic appreciation, these rounds represent a tangible asset with intrinsic value. In uncertain economic climates, they offer a stable hedge against currency devaluation and inflation, while during prosperous times, they remain a timeless symbol of wealth and security. As silver continues to hold a prominent place in both industrial applications and financial markets, trade units like these will likely remain a staple in the precious metals community for years to come.